what we say then. Why did God create me?
No, that is that dimension of theology is called determinism. There is no determinism because there is absolute freedom and what we call the principle of volition in man.
That's all right.
Judas allowed his greed to override him, and those who are proposing that without him there will be the Paschal missile will not have taken off. Our Lord gave himself freely.
Yeah.
He gave himself freely unto death. So Judas has no place in the history because our Lord, if he didn't want to surrender himself, he had what it takes. Like the report John gave, that as soon as he declared, "I am he," what happened? The soldiers drew back and fell. The glory in him struck them to the ground.
That's right.
And that is it. So he absolutely gave himself up to death. He was not forced. So Judas portrayed himself. Now, I told you something about the devil, the prince of darkness. He tested him, and that was the last test before his arrest. The other one will be the mockery on the cross, that the devil also came to sting. That was a sting. That's why he said, "Oh death, where is thy sting?" That sting is the sting is the most painful something that, without being violent, physically violent, it happens to you into your spirit. Something that happens in the flesh but goes directly to hurt the spirit. So that is the sting that he endured and conquered the prince of darkness. So this dimension of theology is what we need to explain in order to exonerate the gospel of Christ from being a predetermination that is dangerous. And people begin to ask, if God knew I would go to hell, if he knew I would commit this sin, why did he create me? God gave man freedom, and it is absolutely given to man to make choices that will favor his salvation. That's why we say salvation is for all, but you have to personalize it. The choices we make. So there's nobody that will go to hell based on predetermination. What will take us to hell is our conscious decision to reject the good. Just like we have in Nigeria. Somebody has every chance to use the phones to make good impression. He consciously decide to do otherwise. That's crazy. All right. So I wish you guys the best in this Holy Week. I pray that using this lesson the professor have raised, we have used it to teach you and you have learned. God bless you.